it's so thin, it's definitely gonna dry on the skin. You could touch it so it's dry enough for you to touch. Now, what is that? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade mask. This mask is going to help to tighten and firm the skin, but it also is going to help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation such as dark spot, blackheads, you name it. So, if you're looking for an amazing mask that is loaded with skin brightening properties, that is going to clean your skin and leave your skin just younger and fresher looking, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up. I will also show you how to use it on your skin for best results.
Now today I'm going to be using carrots for this recipe, and carrots are a powerhouse of antioxidant and other nutrients that is great to use topically on the skin. Carrot is rich in vitamin A, which helps to flush out excess oil and keep the skin fresh and free of toxin. Carrot also contains potassium, which helps with dry skin. It may penetrate the layers of the skin and help to moisturize the skin. Also, carrot, because of its vitamin A property, will help to tighten and firm the skin. It helps to fight the signs of early aging. It also contains vitamin C, which help to promote collagen production and smooth out wrinkles and fine lines. So what I'm going to be doing with the carrot, I'm going to be extracting the juice. And to quickly extract the juice from the carrot, I'm going to chop it in small pieces and I'm going to blend. If you have a powerful blender or a juicer, go ahead and just juice the carrot. And the fact that carrot is a little hard, I'm going to add a little bit of a water to this, and now I'm going to blend. Now after blending, I'm going to strain for the juice. So just use a strainer and extract the juice. Now I'm going to put this to the side and I'm going to introduce my next ingredient, which is egg. So I'm using a medium egg. It doesn't matter if your egg is white or brown. All we're looking for is our egg yolk for this recipe. So I'm going to extract the egg yolk, and you can choose to extract the egg yolk with your preferred method. How I'm doing it here is how I like to extract my egg yolk. So take a look. Now once I extract the egg yolk, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it aside. Now let's take a look at our next ingredient, which is turmeric. And turmeric powder can be found in many skincare products since it has amazing antioxidant properties that can help to lighten and brighten the skin. It is good for premature aging skin. Now turmeric, when used on the skin on a regular, will also create a natural glow to the skin, leaving the skin clear, bright, soft, and supple. So definitely use turmeric in your natural homemade products. So now that we have all the ingredients ready, continue watching while I put this amazing facial mask together. We're using the one medium egg yolk, and we're going to add our carrot juice to this. I like to give the carrot juice a little stir before I pour it in. And I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of the carrot juice. We're mixing this with the egg yolk. You can choose to whisk the egg yolk before, or you can wait until you add the carrot juice. We have a little extra carrot juice, so make that 2.5 tablespoons of carrot juice. And I'm going to add a little oil to this, guys. I'm going to use some grapeseed oil, around about a teaspoon of grapeseed oil. You can use any of your favorite oil, like olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil. Grapeseed oil is, however, a very light oil that will not clog the pores and also will not leave the skin feeling greasy. So definitely use a light oil if you have oily skin. Now let's reach for our next ingredient, which is the turmeric powder. And the turmeric powder, a little goes a long way, so a half of a teaspoon of the turmeric powder is good enough for this. So let's just pour the powder in. You can also choose to mix the turmeric powder with the carrot juice before pouring it in the egg mixture. And now what we're going to do, we are going to mix all the ingredient together. I'm going to use my fork to whisk this, but you can choose to put it in a blender and just blend everything together, which is a little bit more creamier than using your fork. So just continue to whisk this and take your time, guys. Make sure everything is fully blended together. So once I blend this completely, what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to let it chill for about an hour or two. This way all the ingredients will be infused together, and not only that, when you apply this mask on your skin very, very cold, it will also help to plump that skin up and leave the skin just looking radiant and glowing. So let me put this in the refrigerator for an hour, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to use it on your skin for best results.
So you're going to apply a very thin layer to the skin, and you're going to apply it upwards like I'm showing here. If you have dark under eye circles, this is great. Just watch how this is gonna get rid of my dark under eye circles also. Those blackheads, make sure to dab this on your nose. And now, this is it. I'm gonna sit with this. This is definitely tightening the skin. I'm definitely feeling this. So I'm gonna sit with this for about 30 minutes. Now I have been sitting with this for about 30 minutes, and take a look at what happened. In spite of the fact that this mask is so thin, it's definitely gonna dry on the skin. You could touch it so it's dry enough for you to touch. Now what is happening, it is definitely tightening my skin. So I'm gonna rinse this off, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you my result. Okay guys, so I am back, and take a look at my skin. Check my under eyes out. It is definitely lighter. This is really an awesome facial mask. Now my skin is feeling soft and smooth. Now make sure to do some facial massages while you apply your oil or your moisturizer to the skin to further enhance that wonderful younger looking you. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video. Also, leave your comment. Those are always important. And if this was your first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.